Hello guys, welcome to English with Mahmoud Shamim. Today my topic is about complement or complement. So here you see, in this complement you can see E. Okay, you can see E. Here in this complement you see I. This is the difference. Okay, so before we get started, I'd like to say, if you are new, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't skip the video. You should watch the full video because it may help you a lot. Okay, so let's get started. So before start, I'd like to say its meaning. So complement or complement are often frequently confused. They are pronounced in the same way but have quite different meanings. So I'd like to say about complement first, and I'd like to discuss about this complement later. Okay, so let's see. This complement means add to something that enhances or improves. So enhances or improves in our sentences. Okay, I have mentioned 3 sentences so that you can understand properly. Okay, so let's see. Here one example, I have mentioned a classical blazer complements a look that's smart or casual. Okay, I repeat this sentence. A classical blazer complements a look that's smart or casual. That's smart or casual means a classical blazer. Okay, that means enhances or improves something of something. That means classical blazer. I would like to give you one example more. A door. Okay, a door looks like a beautiful or gorgeous. Okay, we can use complements in that sentence. A door complements a look that's so beautiful or gorgeous. Okay, so let's see. A door looks so beautiful and gorgeous. So in this sentence we use complement. A door complements a look that's so beautiful and gorgeous. Okay, I think you can understand properly. Okay, where you can use complement and what would be the sentence meaning. So next sentence, an apple juice is a good complement to this grilled cheese sandwich. Okay, so good complement means an apple juice. So next sentence, I can't get over how much David and Mary compliment each other. I repeat this sentence. I can't get over how much David and Mary compliment each other. This compliment each other improves their relationship. Okay, so we can use complement in this concept. So my friends, I think you understood properly what am I trying to say about complement. Okay, I'd like to spell complement. Okay, this complement means enhances or improves to something. So I would like to discuss about complement now. Okay, so let's see. So friends, this complement means what? This complement means admire or praise someone for something. Okay, I repeat, this complement, I would like to spell complement. So compliment means admire or praise someone for something. These admire or praise someone, that means to say something about someone. It would be good, it would be bad, or it could be positive thinkings or negative thinkings or thoughts. Okay, so let's see 1, 2, or 3 examples. Okay, so that we might understand properly. He complimented. He complimented. He complimented. He complimented her on her appearance. On her appearance. So we cannot use compliment in this sentence. Okay, we use admire or praise to understand properly. Okay, so let's see. He admired or praised her on her appearance. Okay, so her, someone or somebody, for something, her appearance. Okay, on her appearance. That's why he admire or praise. Okay, so we can use admire or praise. He admired or praised her on her appearance. Okay, so instead of admire or praise, we can use compliment. He complimented her on her appearance. Okay, so my friends, I think you understand. Okay, let's see. Okay, another sentence. The teacher. Okay, the teacher complimented. The teacher complimented. The teacher complimented the student. The student. Why? For handwriting something. Okay, for handwriting. So we can use admire or praise. Okay, we can use admire or praise. The teacher admired or praised the student for handwriting. Okay, so instead of admire or praise, we can use compliment. In this sentence, the teacher complimented, okay, complimented the student for handwriting. I think you understand. Okay, already I have told you admire or praise meanings to say something about someone, good, bad, or anything. Okay, so next sentence. A wise teacher, a wise teacher uh, compliments 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 the students, the students, the students whenever they reach a new level of learning. They reach a new level of learning. So we can use admire or praise to understand properly. A wise teacher admires or praises the students whenever they reach a new level of learning. Okay, so instead of admire or praise this word, we can use compliment. In this sentence, a wise teacher compliments the students whenever they reach a new level of learning. Okay, so I think my friends, you should understand properly in this short video about compliment or compliment. Here you see, I'd like to say again one thing. This compliment, here you can see E, and in this compliment here you see I. This is the difference. Okay, when you want to use these two words in speaking or in sentences or in your grammar, I think this video would help you a lot. Okay, so my friends, that's all for today. And again, I request you subscribe my YouTube channel and turn on the notifications so you never miss any lesson when I upload. Okay, so my friends, take care. Bye bye.